A very good evening, Madam Tivia and my fellow friends. My name is Manik Bharati. My matrix number is 24 DKM 19 F1054.
Good evening, madam. My name is Hari Prakash, son of Armu Pillai from DKM 3A. My matrix number is 24 DKM 19 F1081.
Hello, my name is Danaruban Annaliki Kalimuthu. I am from DKM 3A. My matrix number is 24 DKM 19 F1045.
Our title of video presentation is Car Bumpers Made of Shape Memory Alloy. Alright, first of all, the introduction. Introduction is bumper has been an important feature in protecting the vehicle from serious damage to the car component in a crash or collision. Especially when collision causing damage to the explosive to repair part like fender, hood and intercooler, bumper is also involved in improving the performance of a car.
The car bumper is designed to prevent or reduce physical damage to the front and rear ends of the passenger motor vehicle in low-speed collision. Automobile bumpers are not typically designed to be structural components that will significantly contribute to vehicle crashworthiness or occupant protection during collision.
Okay, the bumper are bent and formed to into specific shape in order to absorb and deliver momentum during a collision. In the event of collision, the bumper absorbs some of the impact, which is decreased damage to the car and its occupations. It also protects the front of the car by driving all of the cars. Momentum to the object which is it was the coded to be a normal sizes.
The problem statement for this topic is, nowadays the part cost for front bumper is still high and the cost for replacing is quite expensive, especially if surrounding area or part also damaged. Many parts that make up a bumper system involving a lot of material and processes, therefore the manufacturer difficult to reduce the price. Customer also blame to the manufacturer that the bumper easily to damage although the collision was slow. The material of the bumper should be analyzed to find the alternative material that can improve the toughness. The solution for this problem is using shape memory alloy to make car bumpers. Based on the last year's necessity of lighter materials and safer usage of vehicles, we tried to come with a new class of materials for our bumper system. Using shape memory alloy to make bumpers are cheap and eco-friendly. It also reduces the usage of plastic in making cars. Okay guys, now I am going to show you all how shape memory alloy works. Let's say this spoon is made of shape memory alloy. When I bend it or change its shape, if I apply some heat towards it, it will revert back to its original shape. That's how shape memory alloy works.
Okay guys, now I talking about the benefit of car bumper made of shape of the alloy. The benefit of the car shape of memory alloy are the smart material that we can use the external mechanical energy to the damping to the thermal energy in the car bumper application. In the car bumper application, the matten side to the domain we can observe an increase of the damping mechanical capacity with possible application in car bumper system. The shape of memory car bumper system. Furthermore, for normal, if we accident like that, we need to use the car insurance for repair the car. But if we use the insurance, also no problem. Or we can hit the, if we insist, no problem. If we use the shape of the memory, we just use the heat only. For it only, that the dispersion to the normal, it was more easy and simple, because if we eat the car bumper, the accident car bumper become a normal bumper, we normal size bumper, we not to use money insurance all. This model, the shape of memory car bumper, this model has stiffness and relative expenses to the manufacturing machine compared to the other materials such as steel and aluminum. If we use steel and aluminum, if we accident, we use many work tension, many money we need to use. If car shape of the memory alloy, if we use that, it's very easy, and we just eat only heat only for the bumper for become a normal size. More than we use this model, acceleration voltage can accomplish thermoistic plastic transformation and high system recovery to the normal bumper. The shape of the alloy bumper is save our money and save our work, because we no need to use many money to do that. It was expensive, but we use that very simple for our life and ours. This is a benefit I'm sharing about this.
Okay, let me explain briefly about the steel bumpers and shape memory alloy bumpers. Steel bumpers and plastic bumpers are also known as normal bumpers. Steel bumpers are strong and specifically coated to beat the weather and scratches. Cannot be dented by a minor collision. Cost of the replacing the bumper is high. Second, the weight is between 20 to 30 kgs, making the vehicle to use more fuel and harder to control in the road or on the road. Third, the shock impact point of the car is pushed closer to vital cases section as the bars are installed deeper on the front to be more stable. This destroys the engine more on collision. In addition, airbag deployment is greatly affected by the high steel bars. This makes it unsafe for the driver, as the airbag may jam or not launch at all on impact. Okay. As for the pros and cons, it's for the normal bumper. So let me explain more about shape memory alloy bumpers. Shape memory alloy are alloys that can be repaired if it meets a collision just by hitting the bumper on the dented area. The repair cost of the bumper is low and we can do by ourselves. The weight is between 15 to 20 kg, making the vehicle weightless and gives extra convenience on the usage of fuel and easy to control. The third one, the shock impact point of the car is more strong because the alloy bumper won't break apart nor the dome, absorbing the impact and giving safety to the engine and chassis. Okay, about the airbag deployment is greatly supported by the alloy bumper system. This makes it safe for the drive as the airbag. This makes the drive safe for the driver as the airbag launches at all on one impact. Okay, in adding a wing to alloy bumpers makes it more effective, and it is quite easy to with the drilled holes. You can also add a light for a better off-road visibility and for four-wheel drives. Okay, and the last one is the radiator, headlamps and the bumper generally takes the greatest hit when driving. But now, by installing shape memory alloy bumpers, effectively flatten the undergoing or undergrowth for making the drive quite smooth, because it absorbs most of the minor collision or major collision by the shape memory alloy bumpers. In shortly about the normal bumpers, it's hard to install, a dent cannot be easily acquired or repaired, and it's quite expensive to replace. About the shape memory alloy, it's lower in cost, easy to install, absorbs shocks better, and easy to repair just using a heat, and you can do by yourself. In a nutshell, whatever your reason for installing a bumper on your car, a shape memory alloy bumper is still a great way to get started. The cost of repairs every time you had a minor collision is low. Thank you, madam.